Hi, my name is Karina, and this is problem number 36 on page 467 in section 7.6, which is about applying the sine and cosine ratios. So we're going to start off with the principles of sine and cosine ratios. So we're going to let triangle ABC over here be a right triangle with the Q of angle A. The sine of angle A and the cosine of angle A, written sine A and cosine A, are defined as follows. So the sine of A is the length of the leg opposite of angle A, which is this leg right here, over the length of the hypotenuse, which is this leg over here, which is BC over AB. The cosine of A is the length of the adjacent angle to A, which is right here, over the length of the hypotenuse, which is AB, which is over here, which is AC over AB. So my question was number 36. You want to hang a banner that is 29 feet tall from the third floor of your school. You need to know how tall the wall is, but there is a large bush in your way. So part A. You throw a 38-foot rope out of the window to your friend. She extends it to the end and measures the angle to the elevation to be 70 degrees. How high is the window? Okay, so the length of the window is x to the ground. The angle right here is 90 degrees. The 38-foot is opposite from the 90. In reference to the 70 degrees, x is opposite and this is the adjacent. Since we have the hypotenuse, we're trying to find x. We'll be using the trigonometry, which is sine. So it's going to be sine equals opposite over hypotenuse, which is some old hippie, as my teacher taught me. So sine of 70 equals x over 38. So we're trying to solve for x. We want to get x by itself, so we multiply it by 38 on both sides. So in your calculator, you will basically put in 38 times 70, the sign button, and don't forget the equal sign. So x would equal about 35.7. Next question, part B. The bush is 6 feet tall. Will your banner fit above the bush? The answer is yes. The banner will fit because the banner is 29 feet from the third floor of your school. There's going to be about 0.7 left. So how I got this answer was the banner is only 29 feet a distance from here, and the bush is only 6 feet distance from here. And the whole length of this leg, as we just saw in the previous part, was 35.7. So I just subtracted 35.7 minus 29, and I got 6.7 feet. Since the bush is only 6 feet tall, I'm only left with 0.7 left. Last but not least, what if? Suppose you want to find how far from the school your friend needs to stand. Which trigonometric ratio would you use? Well, I will use cosine adjacent over hypotenuse, since we're trying to find the distance my friend is trying to find. Since my friend was standing here, she was holding the rope, which was this, right? So we're trying to find this distance, which will next be x, since we already know what this is, which is 35.7. So I would be using cosine adjacent over hypotenuse, or as my teacher taught me, caught another hippie. Thank you for watching this video.